Hi children, how are you today? I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to make a craft. What kind of craft that we will make today? Do you want to know? Yes, you do. Very good children, but before that, can you tell me what letter is this? What letter is this? What is it? Very good children, it's letter N. The sound is N. This is letter N. The sound is N. So today we are going to make a craft that starts with letter N. What is this? It's a nest. Yes. So today we are going to make a nest craft. Nest. Nest craft. So today we are going to make nest craft. Let's prepare all the materials. We need shredded paper. We also need paper plate. We need what is this? Yes, googly eyes and orange paper or flannel. And we cut it into a triangle shape. What else do we need? This one. What is this? Yes, we need the pom-poms to make. What is that? To make, yeah, birds. So we are going to use the pom-poms to make the birds. The sound is like that. Are you ready now? Yes, you are. If you're ready, let's make the craft together. Now let's get the pom-pom. Let's get the yellow one, and we're going to paste the googly eyes to make the eyes. Let's peel the double tape. Peel the double tape. If you cannot do it, you can ask help from your mommy or daddy. But try to do it by yourself first. 1 and peel the double tape. Peel. 2 eyes. Now let's get the orange paper or flannel. And paste it on the pom-pom. Tap. Isn't it cute? Now let's do the same thing with the green pom-pom. Isn't it cute? Yes. Now we are going to spread the glue on the paper plate. Twist the glue and spread the glue all over the paper plate. Spread the glue, spread the glue. Spread the glue all over the paper plate. Now, if you're done, please tidy up the glue by yourself. Now let's get the shredded paper and paste it on the paper plate. Tap. Now let's get the birds and paste it in the middle. Remember to tidy up all the leftover materials. Clean it up. Look at that. This is our craft. Nest craft. Nest craft. So how is it, children? Do you like the craft? Isn't it cute? Yes, very good, children. So this all for today. We're going to meet again in another lesson. See you soon.